Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore how to transfer email marketing from GetResponse to Mailblaze. Click the links in the description to try GetResponse and Mailblaze for free. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to export our data from GetResponse. Head over to getresponse.com and sign in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Contacts page. Here, we have a list of contacts. Choose the list you want to export and click on the List option. Ensure all relevant data is included. Then proceed to the Export menu. Write the filler name for the export. Select the file type, then click Export New File, and subsequently download. That's it, the data has been exported. Before importing the list into the new platform, it's essential to clean it up. Remove any inactive or unresponsive subscribers and use an email validation tool to remove any invalid email addresses. Bouncer is a great email validation tool, so you can try it out for free without having to enter any credit card information, using the link in the description below. After cleaning our list, the next step is importing it into Mailblaze. Visit mailblaze.com and log in to your account. Once on the home page, navigate to the List menu page, then click Create List. Give the list a name, write a description, and save changes. We have three types of uploading options. Choose CSV file and continue. Click on Upload and select the right file. After it finishes uploading, check the columns, and if everything is correct, click Continue. If you had segmentation tags or groups in your old platform, remember to reapply them in the new platform. After successfully uploading, send a welcome email from the new platform to confirm the successful import and inform your subscribers about the switch. Navigate to the Campaign section, click on Campaign, then click on the Create New button. Set the campaign name. Select the list you want to send the message to and continue. Edit your email and form name if you like. Give the subject name. Then choose the best template design and write your content. Finally, you can send it immediately or schedule it for later. It's a straightforward process. After sending, monitor all the sent emails. Remember, transferring your email list is a crucial step when switching to a new email marketing tool. It requires careful planning and execution to ensure a smooth transition. Click the links in the description to try GetResponse and Mailblaze for free. Thank you for watching.